Hey guys, I'm back with another video on Slime Rancher. Today, we're gonna be continuing the series of doing Slime Rancher. We're gonna be playing for at least until we get to Glass Desert. I finally decided to use the face cam. Yeah, I'm a kid, but yeah. We're gonna keep on going in our save we had last time. If you didn't watch the other video, you can go watch it. Just click my channel icon below, and then you should be able to find it. It was my first video, but yeah. So here's where we left off, pretty much. I got the jetpack, and that's pretty much all I did. So yeah, now with the jetpack, I can do one more thing. And that thing is, well, getting into a spot that we actually haven't seen before. This spot, we should have popped that Gordo to get into, but there's a way to parkour to it. But yeah, it's insane. There's tons of honey slimes and boom slimes and tabbies, hunters. Those are the slimes. Booms, tabbies, hunters, and honeys. And then there's also like pink slimes and stuff, phosphors and at night, all that stuff. And yeah. If my voice is a little cracky, then it's because I actually have a cold, but I can still do this video. Yeah, we're going to just go here. I tried to get up here last time. I couldn't do this parkour thing. That's here. Actually, this was a cheat that a lot of people have found. So yeah, this cheat is a very known cheat. By parkouring there, here, and then parkouring up there. And you need a jetpack to do it. Without a jetpack, you will not be able to get here. Okay, so now we're in the moss blanket. And why I know all this is because, well, I played through the game. See, boom slimes. Oh, and there's these little guys, puddle slimes. They're little water slimes that you have to put them in ponds to ranch. Yeah. Okay, we're almost over to where we find some new slimes. We already saw the booms, but I'm gonna show you over here. Okay, here are the honey slimes. They're really cute. And then up there's the booms. So I'm gonna throw down some heartbeats. Grab these booms. I'm gonna make honey boom largos. And yeah, they'll hopefully give me a whole lot of money. And yeah, it'll be amazing. See, these guys are so cute, aren't they? They're super cute, so I want them. Oh gosh, there's gonna be a door. Yo. That's a hunter, guys. We found ourselves a boom hunter. No, it only eats meat. Because booms are meat. And booms are meat. And so are hunters. So yeah, I have to have a chicken to feed them. But I don't have any chickens. I need to find more honeys. I'm finding so many booms. And I can't. And hunters are actually one of the more rare slimes. Let's pile it with carrots. Hunter slime. They're super cute. Whoa, whoa. They can also turn invisible, the hunter slimes. So cool. You hear that music? That means there's tars. Okay, where's the tar? Where's the tar? It's right over here near it. I can't let it keep making more. I think we got rid of all of the tar. That crazy music means there's tar. Okay, so now we have what we came for. Now we just need to get back up there. Yeah, there's also blue treasure pods. In the last video, we only saw the green and black treasure pods. But yeah, there's blue in the middle. Green's the first one, black's the last one, and green you unlock after. Blue you unlock after the green, but before the black, so it's in the middle. I need to get out of here. Oh, yeah. Oh, that passage also would give me some good honeys. Okay. Here's where people normally actually discover honeys. This is where people discover honeys most of the time. Let's drop these pogo fruits. And switch them for minty mangoes. Oh. Okay, I think they're gone. Nope. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get hunters, booms, and honeys in this run of the area. That's what I'm gonna try and get. Oh, okay. I need to find honeys now. Oh, there you are. So I'm gonna try to find more honeys. It'll be way easier from the top. Oh wait, that's a hunter. Wasn't expecting on getting more than one hunter since they're pretty rare. Only under the bridge. It's over here. Well, looks like we got all. So here they are, boom and honey. I'm gonna have to do. Okay. I'm taking you out. No, I'm gonna take. I'm gonna put Okay, let's see this garden. No, I can't. Okay, I'm just gonna put these down for a sec. Get this guy out of here. Get these plants out of here. Actually, a chicken should stay in. Put these booms here. Wow, that's a whole lot of booms. Whoa, it's starting to lag. And put a whole bunch of honeys. I need plorts. I need plorts to sell. Okay, guys, I'm so gonna be dead after this. Oh gosh, I am. Okay, let those guys go around for a little bit. And I think, yes. Okay, a boom plort. Boom plorts. Boom. So we have one of these guys. Then I want to take these. I want to put them in here. I want to take this. You. Thought I got rid of you. If not, there we go. Problem solved. Well, for now at least. I do not want to go in there. Honey. Boom. These booms back in. Okay, guys, I'm so gonna be dead. I can take them out of the corral because it's safe out here right now, and well, let them get chickens to eat. When I see a boom plort somewhere, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna go get fruit for the honeys. And once I get that fruit, I might be able to find some chickens. Oh gosh, it's the morning. Chicken, oh yes, and also while I'm here, I guess it wouldn't hurt to grab these. I also want to discover chickens, you know, while I'm here. And then right over here is normally where you find tabbies. Look at all of them. Look at all these tabbies. This is when I am not complaining. When I get exactly what I want. This is gonna be amazing. There